Hello everyone. Hello friends. Let's make some dinner. So we just got home a little while ago from the pool and now we need a quick dinner. So I didn't really have anything planned, so I was like, all right, I got burgers and I got potatoes. So we're gonna make some roasted garlic parmesan potatoes in our deluxe air fryer, and then I'm gonna grill our burgers right here on the deluxe grill and griddle. So both of these items are $100 off this month, and as usual there is an event in my customer group, so come in VIP and you'll get an even better deal. All right, so let me know if you're watching live or you're watching replay, and come hang out with me, say hello, and let's make some quick dinner together. What I love about something like this, it is, you know, I could have easily been like, oh, you know, let's stop somewhere on the way home from the pool and grab some fast food or grab some burgers, and I could have spent for a family of four at least $60 to $80 on that, right? But knowing what I had at home, knowing that I have the right tools, knowing that I can whip this up in like 30 minutes or less, and what I love even more is that while my power tools, so we're going to use the deluxe grill and griddle and the air fryer, while these power tools are cooking, I can get a little salad going, I can clean up the kitchen, and dinner is done in a breeze for those busy summer nights. Okay, so does that sound like a good deal? And I would love to hear your favorite burger toppings. That's my question for you tonight. What is your favorite burger topping? All right, hello Michelle, hi Gigi, thanks for popping in. Let me know where you guys are watching from. So all I'm doing right now is I love these little baby potatoes, and sometimes if they're a little smaller, I mean, I probably could have done that too. I wouldn't even need to cut them, but I do like to cut even the little potatoes, because when I'm about to put them in the air fryer on rotisserie, they are they get like completely crunchy, and every little piece is crunchy. So they are really, really good. All right, let's find all these potatoes, and then I'll show you how I dress mine up with two of our seasonings and one of our new oils that I could just drink in a bottle. Okay. All right, so let me know if you guys can hear me, or leave a comment so I can make sure that this is all working, or I'll be talking to myself here for the next 10 minutes. All right, I think we almost have all these potatoes, so they're kind of like wedged. I turn them into these little wedges. Okay, hello Marianne or Marianne. Hope you guys are having a good night. So I think I got him. Did I get them all? Hopefully I did. Oh, there's one little one left. All right, so here's what we're gonna do with these. This is the easiest way to cook your potatoes. Okay, two things. Pampered Chef seasoning salt, okay? I go through this a lot, and the actual other reason I like it is it has some paprika, so it gives everything kind of like a nice little red crunchy touch. And then our, look at this, I need to go almost open another bottle. Our garlic parmesan olive oil, okay? So Julie likes cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise, and sweet pickles. Yeah, that sounds like my burger too. And then we're gonna top it with some garlic parmesan oil. Literally, you could just dip right in this, and it's like, so good. Okay, we're gonna mix this up, get this all nice and coated, and gonna make some garlic parmesan roasted potatoes in our air fryer. While these are cooking, we'll make the burgers, we'll grill the buns. Again, what's my mission? Cheap meals at home. Dinner does not have to be complicated. So the air fryer, the deluxe grill and griddle, all of our power tools, all of our electric products are $100 off right now. We've never done that before. Plus, if you're a VIP customer or you come in VIP, you'll get a special extra discount on top of that. If you hosted a party with me in the last 12 months, you get an additional 10%. So the deals are crazy. So this is the rotisserie basket. It comes with your air fryer, okay? And then it's got this little holder thing. So we're gonna slide it in. I'm gonna turn this around. We're gonna slide it in right here, okay? You're gonna grab this thingy-majiggy, okay? And then you just kind of glide it in and hook it to the left and hook it to the right. There we go. Now it's in, okay? And here's the tip if you have an air fryer, so you want to make sure it rotates. is if you go like this, it shouldn't spin. So the left side has the spinny wheel, so that's why you kind of want to push it to the left when you put it in, and now it's going to rotate. Okay, so we are going to click. Okay, I literally always use the same setting, and then I just adjust it depending on if it needs more time. Okay, so I always do air fry, I don't know, 20 minutes. I don't know, I'm sure there's a recipe for it. And then you want to click rotate, which turns on the rotation on the air fryer. Okay, so then you want to double check, make sure it's all spinning, and then it just kind of spins around. Can you guys see it? Oh yeah, I think you can. Can you see it spinning? It's very fascinating. But you can do a whole rotisserie chicken in here. I saw my friend Casey, she did a pork loin in here and had it on the little, there's like a little stick thing where you put the rotisserie chicken in. You can put pork loin in there. You can put a pineapple in there. Have you ever had those Brazilian pineapples? What else can you do in there? Oh, I saw someone do a cauliflower, right? So, okay, so that's that, right? Our garlic parmesan potatoes are cooking. You need this, like 4 rails, okay? Like 2 bottles. Won't be disappointed. And then over here, we are going to click grill. We're going to probably do, these are frozen, so I'm going to do 12 minutes and let this preheat, and then we're going to throw our burgers on here. Nothing fancy, just some frozen burgers today. Now, I will say this has a thermometer probe, okay? So it's a little probe, a thermometer that goes in here. You plug it in, then you could stick it inside your meat. Obviously, this is frozen, so it's not going to work. And then you could actually set this to the temperature you want your burgers, your chicken, your steak, right? And it will beep when that meat has reached that temperature. Now, okay, here's the truth bomb. I don't know where it is. Okay, so I really need, maybe somebody local wants to come help me organize my kitchen, but my kids do the dishes, so who knows where stuff ends up. I have 8 boxes of new products. I already don't know where to put all the stuff. And so I don't know where the probe is. It's somewhere. I always lose everything in this kitchen. Okay, so we're just gonna do some quick burgers here, and I'm going to also use, again, my favorite, I mean literally, it's like one of my favorites, seasoning salt right here, okay? And if you guys do me a favor, hit share. I'd appreciate a share and a comment. And again, all power tools, I'm gonna be talking about it all month long, so better get ready. All power tools are $100 off. Make sure you check my stories. In my stories today, I talked about the deluxe cooking blender. I'll probably use that for some other stuff this week too. This coming out? Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, I think it's extra salty. Okay, so they're $100 off. And again, if you want to be getting a better deal, up to 25% off on top of the sale price, comment VIP and check out my VIP group. So good. Okay. Any questions so far? Anything else? But I'm going to wait for this to preheat. And so, well, let me tell you about this real quick. So, yeah, let me show you. I don't know if I can turn this around. Can you turn this around? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to show you and talk about it. Sounds good? Okay. So, here's our potatoes. Let me turn the light on. You should be able to see it spin. Oh, here we go. You see it spin? It's doing its thing. Just let it do its thing. It's amazing, every piece. So if you have the shaker, I used to have the shaker basket thing. You'd always have to go like this. You just let it do its thing. It does it all by itself, okay? Over here, we're using our deluxe grilling griddle for burgers tonight. So all I did is hit the grill function and set it to 12 minutes. That's what I'm estimating these grilled burgers take. I don't know, give or take. We'll see, it might be less. But you can custom, you can do whatever you want. You can just turn the top on, you can just turn the bottom on, you can change the temperature of the top and the bottom plate. You can set a time, you can set a temperature that you want your meat to be cooked at. Right here is where you plug in the probe, and the probe goes inside your meat, and then it beeps at the temperature that you want. You can just sear some things, of course, grilled sandwiches, panini, all day, every day. And then these are the grill plates. But you pop these out. I'm not going to do it right now because they're hot. You pop these out right here, and they come with the griddle plates as well. And these go in the dishwasher. And then you can just set this to really small temperature just to kind of keep some stuff warm. So if you're done with your burgers, you want to keep them warm, you can do that, okay? The other thing is this does lay completely flat as well, okay? So you can lay this completely flat. So you can almost do this like hibachi style, Korean barbecue. You can do for breakfast with the griddle. You could do some eggs and some pancakes on the other side. it closes completely flat, but it also has a lever right here so you can set the height of what you want. Okay, so this is a deluxe grill and griddle, and it's $100 off plus an additional discount in my customer appreciation group. Same with this guy. Okay, so I will finish this in my stories, show you guys how all this comes together. But that's what we're having. Easy peasy dinner, cheap and easy. Burgers and potatoes. Let me know what you guys are having. And if you have any questions, I'm always here for you. Hi Teresa, hi Vicky. Yay, Julie sees it, awesome. Yeah, we have a Gigi on. Gigi's my daughter's name. I love it. All right, guys, have a good night. I was gonna show you me throwing this burger on, but it's still preheating. But maybe we can. Okay, it's hot, just so you can hear the sizzle. Okay, you want to hear sizzle? Let's go. And all I smell right now is these garlic parmesan. So good. Okay, so we're gonna do it this way. These are some big fatty burgers. So we can squeeze them in. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to put even more. Because if it's one thing I hate is a bland burger, people. We do not do bland burgers. So, here we go. Sizzle it up, walk away, clean the kitchen, make a salad, and dinner is done. So, have a great night, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.